Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a Snapchat account that has been locked for violating community guidelines. Alright, let's begin. If your Snapchat account is locked, the first step is to figure out the type of lock. If it's a temporary lock, just waiting a short period of time should let you log back in. But if it's a permanent lock, that usually means Snapchat flagged your account for serious violations like spamming or using unauthorized tools. In that case, you'll need to contact Snapchat support. Before doing that, make sure you're not using any third-party plugins or unauthorized modifications like Snapchat Plus. Remove any of these from your device. Next, open your browser and search for Snapchat account locked. Click on the official link to Snapchat's locked account page. From there, you'll see instructions on how to unlock your account. Most of the time, you'll need to log in at snapchat.com. Type Snapchat login in your browser, and once logged in, follow the prompts to request unlocking. If that doesn't work, try updating the Snapchat app to the latest version. Sometimes, outdated apps cause login and account issues. So, that's basically how you can fix a Snapchat account that has been locked for violating community guidelines. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.